So in this game time tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a credit card to your account here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened, go to the bottom right and press on Profile and then press on Payment Methods. Now once you guys are here, you'll see Apple Pay, Affirm, PayPal, but you can also go ahead and press Add Credit or Debit Card. And once you guys are here, you can go ahead and add a credit card of your choice. So just type in the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, your billing address, and if all it looks good, go ahead, press an add card at the bottom, and it'll be there. So if you were to go to buy, let's say, these bills tickets right here, as an example, when you guys are on the pay screen right here where it says payment right here, you can go ahead and press add a new card right here, and you can also add your card this way as well if you wanted to. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add a credit card to your account on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.